Welcome to our exploration of the Indian knowledge system. Today, we will examine one of history's most comprehensive knowledge traditions that developed over thousands of years in the Indian subcontinent. What makes IKS remarkable is its holistic integration of disciplines we now consider separate: science with spirituality, art with mathematics, medicine with philosophy. This ancient system maintained a commitment to sustainability while developing advanced scientific concepts. Before diving into specifics, let's preview what we are going to look into this video today. We will begin with an overview of IKS and its contemporary relevance, followed by a precise definition of what constitutes this knowledge system. We will examine the fourfold framework used to classify traditional knowledge and explore the fascinating Chaturdash Vidyasthana, the 14 disciplines considered essential for complete education in ancient India. To provide context, we will trace IKS development through historical periods, then analyze its distinctive characteristics compared to other knowledge traditions. Finally, we will discuss why these ancient perspectives remain valuable in addressing 21st century challenges. The Indian knowledge system represents an extraordinary intellectual legacy spanning numerous fields: science, medicine, astronomy, mathematics, philosophy, and engineering, developed by countless scholars over millennia. This knowledge wasn't preserved merely in texts, but through sophisticated oral traditions, some continuing unbroken today. Its contemporary relevance stems from three primary aspects. First, its timeless applications, like ancient water conservation methods that address water scarcity, a challenge increasingly pressing with climate change. Second, its truly interdisciplinary approach, integrating spiritual insights with logical reasoning long before modern academia began discussing breaking down silos. Finally, its global impact. Concepts like zero, the decimal system, and algebraic foundations revolutionized mathematics worldwide. As we proceed, consider how these ancient insights might complement modern scientific approaches. The Indian knowledge system refers to the accumulated body of philosophical, scientific, and practical knowledge that originated in India and evolved over centuries. This knowledge wasn't merely theoretical, but lived and refined through practice. While written texts were important, sophisticated oral traditions preserved knowledge with remarkable precision, even maintaining exact pronunciation of syllables across generations. IKS encompasses diverse domains: philosophical systems like Vedanta and yoga, scientific contributions in mathematics and astronomy, arts including classical dance and literature, social sciences detailing governance and economics, and practical fields like architecture, also known as Vastu Shastra, and medicine, that is Ayurveda. What unifies these diverse domains is a shared worldwide emphasizing harmony between humans, nature, and cosmos, a perspective increasingly valued today as we confront environmental challenges. Ancient Indian scholars organized their vast knowledge through a sophisticated fourfold classification system. Shruti, that which is heard, refers to knowledge believed eternal and revealed to sages in meditation. Primarily, the Vedas and Upanishads, preserved through elaborate memorization techniques. Smriti, that which is remembered, includes human authored texts like the Mahabharata and Ramayana, which often conveyed complex ideas through accessible narratives. Prayoga focuses on applied knowledge, practical handbooks on medicine, architecture, and statecraft used by practitioners. Darshana encompasses 6 major philosophical schools or viewpoints: Nyaya, logic; Vaishika, atomism; Sankhya, enumeration; Yoga, mind-body disciplines; Mimamsa, textual interpretation; and Vedanta, metaphysics. This classification wasn't rigid compartmentalization, but a framework recognizing different origins and applications of knowledge, with categories often overlapping to create a web of interconnected understanding. The concept of Chaturdasha Vidyasthana represents 14 disciplines considered essential for complete education in ancient India. These were arbitrary subjects but carefully selected to develop intellectual, practical, ethical, and spiritual dimensions. Veda Vidya, sacred text knowledge, Jyotisha Vidya, astronomy and astrology, and Ayurveda Vidya, medicine and health, formed foundations for understanding cosmic and human existence. Shilpa Vidya, arts and architecture, Artha Vidya, economics and governance, and Dhanur Vidya, military science, addressed societal organization and protection. Gandharva Vidya, forming arts, Chandrika Vidya, that is literature, and Niti Vidya, ethics, cultivated expressions and right conduct. The remaining disciplines included Mimasa Vidya, that is ritual interpretation, Vedanga Vidya, grammar and phonetics, Vastu Vidya, spatial design, Panchgavya Vidya, cow products for medicine and agriculture, and lastly, Vijnana Vidya, applied sciences. What's most striking about this system is it balances between theoretical and practical knowledge, humanities and sciences, individual development and social contribution, a holism often lacking in our specialized modern education. The Indian knowledge system evolved through distinct historical periods. The Indus Valley civilization from 3300 to 1300 BCE demonstrated sophisticated urban planning, drainage systems, and metallurgy. During the Vedic period, that is from 1500 to 500 BCE, the composition of the Vedas occurred alongside early astronomy, mathematical concepts, and philosophical explorations documented in the Upanishads. The classical period from 500 BCE to 1200 CE witnessed extraordinary intellectual achievements. Mathematicians like Aryabhatta introduced zero as a number and the place value system. Medical texts like Charaka Samhita documented sophisticated understanding of diagnosis and treatment. And architectural principles were codified in Vastu Shastra. The medical period from 1200 to 1700 CE saw integration of Indian knowledge with Islamic and Persian traditions, while the modern period from 1700 CE to present initially witnessed decline during colonial rule followed by 20th century revivalism. Throughout this evolution, knowledge wasn't lost but continuously transmitted, refined, and expanded even during political upheavals, demonstrating the resilience of this intellectual tradition. 5 distinctive features set the Indian knowledge system apart from other intellectual traditions. First, its holistic integration of knowledge domains, where mathematical principles informed music, architecture incorporated astronomy, and medicine recognized psychological factors in physical health, reflected a view of reality as fundamentally interconnected. Second, it emphasis on sustainable design principles, developed technologies working with rather than just ecological processes, exemplified by traditional step wells that facilitated groundwater recharge while creating community spaces. Third, IKS valued experiential learning, Anubhava, alongside theoretical knowledge. Understanding wasn't complete until personally verified through experience. Fourth, it maintained a multidimensional view integrating physical, metaphysical, and spiritual perspective, not as contradictions, but as examining different aspects of complex reality. Finally, its mathematical contributions fundamentally transformed global mathematics, introducing zero as a number, a decimal system, and foundation of trigonometry and calculus, often developing abstract concepts in response to practical needs. These distinctive approaches offer valuable perspectives for addressing contemporary challenges requiring interdisciplinary thinking and sustainability. The Indian knowledge system isn't merely a historical curiosity but offers valuable perspective for our contemporary world. Its holistic approach to ecological relationships provides insights for sustainable development as we face environmental crisis. Ayurveda's emphasis on preventive care, individualized treatment, and mind body connections aligns with emerging directions in modern medicine. The educational model integrating diverse knowledge domains challenges are often hyper specialized academic structures, reminding us that complex problems require interdisciplinary approaches. Appreciating IKS doesn't mean uncritically accepting all its components or abandoning modern scientific methods. Rather, it means recognizing that different knowledge traditions offer complementary strengths. The most innovative solutions often emerge at the intersection of traditions, integrating modern science precision with IKS holistic wisdom. I encourage you to explore how these ancient principles might inform approaches to contemporary challenges in sustainability, healthcare, education, and governance. That's all for this video, and in the next one, we will look at another concepts in ICAS. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.